Here's my review of the course AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng on Coursera. This is a beginner course that serves as an introduction into what is artificial intelligence and how it can be used in practice with particular focus on the business world. I'm Matej and I make videos about AI. The course is designed for 4 weeks with very light load. If you're super committed and properly caffeinated, you can probably get through the whole thing in one day. If you want the certificate of completion, you have to pay $50. I would say if you make good salary, you might as well pay for the certificate because your time is a lot more valuable than the certificate cost. And just in case you will need it in the future, it's good to have it. If money is tight, for example, you're a student, don't worry about the certificate. You can audit the course for free and you will get the same value out of it. After every week section, there is a quiz, which is really easy to pass if you have been paying attention to the material. There's absolutely no coding in this class, so if you're already working on a machine learning project, this class is not for you. It's too beginner for you. If you're a machine learning engineer, this is a great course to recommend to the people you're working with so they can get quickly up to speed and you don't have to explain all the basic concepts to them yourself. You can just point them to this course. They can take it and they'll be able to communicate with you much better. I think in a few years, courses like this will be part of general business curricula. Just like now when you join a company, you take some management courses. I think understanding AI in the future will be absolutely critical to the business function. So this will be part of the core curriculum so everybody understands what AI can and cannot do and how to use it ethically and efficiently. In week 1, it goes over general concepts and definitions. For example, what is the difference between narrow artificial intelligence and artificial general intelligence? What is machine learning? What is supervised learning? There is also a lot of focus on data, which is critical to get any machine learning project to work well. In week 2, the business focus of this course becomes very evident. During this whole week, it talks about how to properly structure an AI project. This is very nicely done since it allows non-AI people to start thinking at a high level about what is needed to practically execute an AI project. It assumes that the technical parts of the project, for example coding, will be done by a different department, either internally or externally. In week 3, Andrew presents a couple simple case studies so you can see how an AI project will work in practice. There's also a really good explanation of different roles that might be needed to execute an AI project. He explains the difference between software engineer, machine learning researcher, data scientist, data engineer, and AI project manager. In week 4, the content is probably the least useful from a practical perspective, but it goes into important issues like bias in AI and adverse uses of AI. In some parts, the course is a little bit outdated. Andrew mentions that to generate cohesive text output is difficult for AI. That is clearly not the case anymore since the release of language models like GPT-3 and ChatGPT. Overall, this course is highly recommended for people just getting into AI. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.